Welcome back to I'm No Bookie, the podcast for beauty, spa, and wellness pros ready to level up their careers in the education and training sector. I'm your host, Ayo, and today I want you to think about how much do you really know about your area of expertise? Imagine in every field there's that one person everyone turns to with their complex questions, that go-to person on a specific topic, maybe a system or protocol. An expert known as a subject matter expert or SME isn't just someone with a deep knowledge. They have a pillar of wisdom and experience and ready to guide you towards any solution and gives you insights that only years in the game or in the field can provide. So whether they're an internal beacon of knowledge or an insightful consultant or a third-party contractor, SMEs embody a wealth of experience. And if you've ever envisaged yourself as an authority in your domain where people look up to you for guidance, becoming an SME might just be your calling. It's a path that kind of beacons those who revel in learning, sharing their passion, and lifting others with their expertise. So today, I want to kind of delve into what it means to be a subject matter expert within the beauty and wellness industry. And we'll kind of explore some areas of how to embrace this role in not just about accumulating knowledge, but about becoming a lighthouse for others navigating the vast seas of our industry. It's a journey of kind of continuous growth and influence, and most importantly, sharing your wealth of your insights that you foster with the community and inform them and inspire them professionally. So whether you're a seasoned professional or someone looking to pivot into a career, understanding your pathway to become an SME can kind of redefine your professional journey. So let's get started. I'm going to do a little bit of reflection. So in my own journey, I'm often asked, Ryan, what makes you a subject matter expert within the beauty and wellness industry? And the answer lies in a blend of kind of like my education, my hands-on experience, and that quest for knowledge. My professional path began as a beauty spa therapist, where I mastered the kind of fundamentals of beauty and wellness services. And this role kind of laid the groundwork for my expertise. But it was just kind of the beginning. I was fueled by passion for knowledge and the desire to kind of elevate my career. I pursued higher education, achieving an undergraduate in health science and complementary therapies, followed by 2 masters, one in international spa management and the other in digital marketing. And these qualifications expanded my understanding of the industry and equipped me with the skills to navigate its complexities. Transitioning from a therapist and educator, I embrace roles that range from trainer to international L&D consultant and lecturer. And this journey across different facets of the industry not only kind of broadened my expertise, also allowed me to share my knowledge on a global scale, shaping the next generation of beauty and wellness professionals. But the truth is, education alone isn't what kind of defines a subject matter expert. It's the marriage of education with hands-on experience that truly shapes one's kind of desire and focus. So over the years, or my 20 years in the industry, 14 years of educating and 9 in marketing, have not just been about accumulating knowledge. They have been about applying this knowledge, adapting to the industry's kind of evolutions, and continuously learning from kind of each interaction and challenge. So this journey has solidified a crucial lesson. Being a subject matter expert is about kind of leveraging your unique blend of education and experience. It's about deeply engaging with your field, pushing the boundaries of what you know, and most importantly, sharing that knowledge to inspire, educate, and lead others. So to those that are aspiring to become subject matter experts, remember, your journey from the ground up, be it from a therapist to a trainer or international consultant to a lecturer, your unique narrative is this. Your journey is going to enrich your expertise and sets you apart as a true leader in the industry. So let's kind of define what being a subject matter expert truly entails. A subject matter expert or SME is someone who possesses profound knowledge and experience in a specific field. In the beauty and wellness world, this could mean anything from advanced skincare techniques to holistic wellness practices. SMEs are not just practitioners, they are kind of pioneers, they're educators and influencers within their domain, and they drive the industry forward with their expertise. So I want you to kind of reflect on your unique skills and experience. What specific aspects of beauty and wellness excites you the most? Start jotting down areas where you feel most confident and knowledgeable. This kind of exercise is the first step in defining or identifying your niche as a future SME. Becoming a SME subject matter expert doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of kind of continuous learning, experience, and sharing knowledge. So, firstly, you want to focus on education. Education is the key. So, whether it's formal qualifications or industry certifications, invest in your learning. Secondly, practical experience is invaluable. The more you work and experiment within your niche, the deeper your expertise grows. And finally, sharing your knowledge, be it through maybe teaching, maybe content creation, speaking engagements, not only establishes you with credibility, but also enhances your understanding through dialogue and feedback. So this is an action step I want to give you. I want you to create a learning plan for yourself. So if you're thinking, my God, this sounds great. I would love to be a subject matter expert. These are some key steps that I think that you would want to take. So create a learning plan for yourself, include courses, maybe workshops, and even mentorship opportunities. Then look for ways to apply and share this knowledge. So you could start a blog, offer workshops, or contribute to industry panels. Remember, every step you take is a step towards becoming an SME. As we've explored the journey to becoming a subject matter expert, from acquiring your knowledge to sharing it, there's another powerful tool in your arsenal that can significantly elevate your visibility and authority in your field. Yes, LinkedIn. So now imagine a platform where your expertise isn't just acknowledged, but sought after. LinkedIn has introduced a remarkable tool that does just that. It invites a select group of professionals which they have identified as experts in their respective fields to contribute kind of insights within articles and discussions. This isn't just about having a profile, it's about being an active and showcasing your skills and engaging with the content relevant to your expertise. So LinkedIn determines these likely experts based on a combination of factors: your work experience, demonstrated skills proficiency, and your prior engagement on the platform. This means every article you publish, every discussion you contribute to, every skill you add to your profile enhances your visibility and credibility as an SME. So, how can you leverage this? First, ensure your LinkedIn profile is accurately reflects your wealth of experience and skills. Regularly update your accomplishments and actively share your insights on the platform. You definitely want to engage with your community by commenting on relevant articles, sharing thoughtful content, and participating in discussions. This active presence not only strengthens your network, but also increases the likelihood of LinkedIn recognizing you as an expert in your field. This feature by LinkedIn is a testament to the power of digital visibility in establishing your status as an SME. It's an opportunity really to share your voice on the global stage, influencing others in your industry and continuing your journey of learning and growth. And by embracing platforms like LinkedIn, you open new doors to opportunities, collaborations, and a chance to shape the future within our industry. So with this understanding of the digital landscape's role in recognizing and amplifying your expertise, let's move forward to explore some of the benefits of being SME, not just in your immediate circle, but in the broader industry and online communities. So being an SME elevates your professional standing, opening doors to new opportunities and ventures. It allows for higher earning potential, of course, as your expertise can command premium rates. So it positions you as a leader in your field, enabling you to kind of influence industry standards and contribute to its evolution. The satisfaction of mentoring the next generation of professionals and leaving a lasting impact on your industry is perhaps, to me, the most rewarding aspects of all of being an SME. So I want to give you another action step. I want you to identify a platform where your voice can be heard. Start small. If you need to, maybe local workshops, online webinars, or even Instagram lives, your own platform. You can pick any social media platform and go live. Each platform offers a unique way to share your expertise and grow your audience. Remember, every expert started somewhere. The key is simple. Just start. Don't overthink it. So becoming a subject matter expert in our industry not only kind of transforms your career, but also enriches the industry as a whole. It's about turning your passion into purpose and your expertise into influence. So I want to challenge you to take the first step towards becoming an SME. Reflect, learn, share, and grow. Because in the world of beauty and wellness, your knowledge is your most powerful tool. Thank you so much for tuning in to I'm No Ricky. If this episode has inspired you, please make sure that you subscribe for more strategies, tips, and advice on how you can grow in your career within the beauty and wellness industry. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and defining your expertise. Remember, you are no rookie in the game of life.